To fix the Battlefield 6 AMD Radeon driver version, you need to first go to your browser, and here you need to type AMD drivers, and you can see here it is. Once you will click on AMD drivers, and you need to go to this website amd.com, drivers and support for processor and graphics card. So if you are using the AMD graphics card, then only you need to come up here. Here you can see Windows 10, Windows 11 drivers. So it will install the drivers for both the chipset and the graphics card. It will work on both Windows 11 and Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So you can click on this download Windows drivers, and once you will start downloading it, it will download the files. So we just need to wait here. Now once it's downloaded, you need to double click on this file and open it, and it will automatically install the latest graphics drivers for your graphics card.